Hey, we're Bottoms Up Vending, delivering dependable vending and micro-market solutions to businesses and facilities throughout Montgomery, Illinois. We make workplace refreshments simple by providing fresh snacks, cold drinks, and convenient grab-and-go options right where your team needs them. We work with a wide range of locations across Montgomery, including schools and universities, manufacturing plants, logistics companies, fitness clubs, gyms, car dealerships, auto garages, and healthcare facilities. No matter the industry, we help keep employees energized and productive. Our services include snack and drink vending, office coffee vending, micro-market vending, ice cream vending, and healthy vending options. We manage the entire process, from delivery and installation to restocking and maintenance, so your break room always stays fully stocked with minimal effort on your part. If you're ready to improve your workplace with better vending solutions, visit bottomsupvend.com today and request free vending services.